Are you sharing important documents online and worrying about someone stealing your work? The easiest way to protect your intellectual property and establish copyright is by adding a custom watermark. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text and image watermarks to your documents using WPS Writer. Before we start, if you want to follow along and unlock all the best document tools, I've left a direct link to download WPS Office Pro Trial for free right at the top of the description. Go grab that quickly and let's get started. First, open up your document in WPS Writer. Once your text is ready to go, head up to the top menu ribbon and click on the Page Layout tab. Look over towards the right side of the menu and you will see a button labeled Watermark. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with a few default presets, like Confidential or Do Not Copy. If you just need something quick and standard, you can click one of those, and it will instantly apply to your pages. But if you want to copyright your work with your own specific brand name or logo, you want to click on Custom Watermark, or the plus icon at the bottom of that list. A new window will pop up, giving you two main choices, a picture watermark or a text watermark. If you choose the text option, you can type in your name, your company's name, or a copyright symbol. You can also change the font, pick the color, and adjust the transparency so it protects your work without making the actual document hard to read. If you would rather use your own logo, just select the picture option, upload your image file, and adjust the scale. Make sure the washout or transparency setting is checked so it sits perfectly in the background. Once it looks exactly how you want it, just hit OK. And just like that, every single page of your document is now securely watermarked and ready to be shared safely with clients or online. If this tutorial helped you protect your work, please hit that like button to help the channel grow. And remember, if you are ready to unlock all the premium editing tools without the premium price tag, the direct link to download WPS Office Pro for free is waiting for you right down in the description. Go grab it! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.